Good morning, dear children. This is your science teacher. Now take out your science textbook and open page number 27. So, dear children, yesterday we have started our new lesson, that is lesson number 4, sorting materials into groups. In this, we have studied about objects, various kind of objects around us. You can see here in this picture there have various kind of objects around us, having various kind of materials, having various kind of texture, having various kind of shapes also. And regarding to this, we had also take one activity regarding to these objects around us. Okay, and so today let's start the next page, that is page number 27, about the table number 4.1, objects and the material they are made of. Okay, yes, in yesterday's video we have studied various kind of objects, having various kind of material they used, and various kind of shape they are having. Okay, now look at this table number 4.1. There have been some objects are given, and materials they are made of. Okay, so for example, plate or thali made from steel, glass and plastic or any other. Okay, so that means plates are made up of steel, glass and plastic material. Then pen is made up of plastic and metal also. Then you can also add here the shoe. Okay, shoe can made up of shoe can made up of leather. Okay, and plastic also, rubber, plastic. Okay, so dear children, in first box you can write the shoe. I am writing here the shoe, and it is made up of you can write leather or plastic, or you can also write rubber also. Okay, then in next column you can write the book made up of paper. Okay, you can write other things with your own. ठीक है, अगर आपको कोई दूसरी चीज़ें इसमें ऐड करनी है, you can write that also. Okay, यहाँ पे सिर्फ 4 चीज़ें दी है, आप उसको 10 चीज़ें भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, as per your convenience. So dear children, here we have given some activity regarding to the materials and they are made up of. So before going to start this activity, before going through this activity, I want to show you some slides regarding to the materials and they are made of. Okay, materials they are made of. So dear children, first of all, what are materials? Okay, so the materials a material is a physical substance used to make things. A material is a physical substance used to make things. Okay, so metal, that is metal, plastic, ceramic, glass and fibers are some of the main categories for materials. That means कुछ चीज़ें जो है वो मेटल से बनी होती है, कुछ प्लास्टिक से, कुछ सिरामिक से, कुछ ग्लास से, कुछ फाइबर से. So that material are known as the materials, that is physical substances. And if we look around, everything we see is made from a material, sometimes more than one. Okay, आप देखोगे कि कोई चीज़ें जो है more than one चीज़ one material से भी बनी होती है. For example, the clothes you are wearing are made from fibers, and the chair you are sitting on is made from plastics. The chair you are sitting on is made from plastic. The windows in this school are made from glass. Okay, so all these things which are obtained in your surrounding have made up of various kind of materials. Okay, so that is known as the materials. Then types of material, there are different types of materials are there. Okay, you can see wood, You can see the wood and the glass, metals, plastic, fabrics, ceramic, rubber. All these are the materials, okay, from which the things are made. Now look at this picture. A wooden cupboard. You can see the wooden chair, a wooden table. So wood is a material that come from tree. Wood is cut into different shapes and sizes to make an object such as chair, tables and doors. So that means wood is also comes under one material. Here I am showing in the slides I am showing some types of materials. So first one is the wood. So there are various kinds of things made of wood, that is wooden chair, वुडन कबर्ड, वुडन टेबल. ओके, अब और बहुत सारी भी चीज़ें you can consider a variety of things also, okay, rather than this. Then here the next one is the plastic. So we have plastic spoons, plastic rings, plastic combs, and here plastic bottles are here. And okay, so plastic are man-made material. They are made using oil that is taken from deep underground. Okay, they are made from using oil that is taken from deep underground. Okay, so that means plastic is a man-made material and wood is a natural material. Okay, now look at this. We have rubber. So rubber band, tires made from rubber, erasers, and rubber balls, hose, that is pipes, and boots, gum boots. Okay, they are made from rubber. So rubber is made using the sap or latex from rubber tree, and it is used to make objects such as tires, hoses and boots and balloons. So as you know that in I think in 4th standard you must studied that we get rubber from the rubber plant. Okay, and rubber is nothing but the waste product of the plant, and from that waste product we have made this such kind of things. So rubber is also considered as a material. Then here metals. So kettle, spoon, fork and knife, rubber band, and that is keys. Okay, so all are made of metals. So metals are material that from under the ground. Iron, steel and aluminium are examples of metals. I think this is not rubber band. I think this is a bottle, metal bottle. Okay, I'm not sure, but this is not a rubber band. This is a metal bottle something. Okay, made from, it's a bottle which is made from metals. Okay, and these are the keys, and some spoon, fork and knife, kettle. Okay, so metals are materials that from under the ground. Iron, steel and aluminium are examples of metals. Okay, that means metal are we get metals naturally. Okay, we get metal under the ground. So here we have some clothes, that is towels, tudong, clothes, textile, skirts, silk tie and sheets. All are made from, you can see, the clothes or fabrics. Okay, fibers. So fibers are used to make such kind of things. Then glass. So here we have glass jug, jar, and here we have window of glass and marbles made from glass. So glass is made from sand. It is often chosen to make objects because we can see through it. Okay, it is transparent. So that means we are mostly using glass windows, so that we can easily see through it. Okay, so this is the glass. Then ceramic, here we have ceramic pestle, ceramic jugs, ceramic pottery, ceramic vase, marbles, and a dinner set also. So ceramic is a material made from a type of soil called clay. The clay is a molded into different shape and then heated to become hard. Okay, so this is the ceramic material. That means what we have seen in the slides, we have seen lots of materials, that is wood, we have seen plastic, paper, metals, fabrics, and beside this we can also we have also seen about glass. Okay, glass, and you can say the ceramic. Okay, so this type of materials are used to make various kind of things. So dear children, these are some objects and the materials they are made from. So now let's take a look on this activity number 2. So table number 4.2 lists some common materials. You can also add more materials in column 1 that are known to you. Now try and think of everyday object you know that are made mainly of these materials and list them in a column 2. अंडरस्टूड, यानी कि आपको क्या करना है, ये जो टेबल नंबर 4.1 है उसमें और भी बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऐड करने हैं और उनके मटेरियल्स लिखने हैं. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे. So dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me anytime. So your today's homework will be table point 4.1. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video, and goodbye and have a nice day.